Day in the life. We're now working on a ps5. Already knocked off a 10s Max battery and screen replacement. And next up on my bench is an iPhone 16 that needs a new air pressure sensor and the screen replaced as well. I'll give you guys little clips of what I'm doing throughout the day, just so you can see a day in the life of my particular repair shop. Thanks, y'all. So 2 things about this PlayStation. This has to be the cleanest PlayStation I've taken apart in a very long time. Even the liquid metal is nicely still spread. I mean, that's kind of a mess, but whatever. But also, can someone explain to me why we need this many screws? Actually, a couple things. When have you seen a repair shop be disorganized with their screws? Usually you see them just put it on the table, and meanwhile me. Because I'm not getting none of these bitches mixed up, I tell you that. Tell you what. And also, why does it need this many screws? Like, let's be for real, Sony. Like, I feel like they're in cahoots with the screw companies to keep their stock up. But that's me. Let's get started on this. Okay. Gonna trim this real quick. Okay. Then we're gonna crank down the heat and pop on the new one. Okay, we got a 450 120. And you're gonna sit on the new one. You actually melting? There we go. Just a little bit more. Beautiful. We're just gonna hold it, 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 hold it. Okay, now time for the truth. I know you people love seeing this. I'm 100% confident in my work. I don't need to be doing this no more. Not after more than 6-7 years doing this, but whatever. Boop, boop. See, those are so solid. So solid. Deep, 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 deep. I'm just gonna clean it up. And it looks like we got this bad boy ready. Ah, not the pins. Let's see if this one. Yay! Good to go.